Good afternoon, welcome back to T3. On today's show, we have a quadcast from Kingston, and it's gonna flex hard. Alrighty, as I said, we have the Kingston Quadcast. Now, I get particularly excited when reviewing Kingston audio products, because if you didn't know, the HyperX Clouds are pretty much the best bang for buck headsets you can buy for gaming these days. So when Uncle Evetech said to me, hey, we're getting these Quadcasts, they're releasing this week, you guys want to have a look at it? I was like, most definitely. So I've taken the liberty of unboxing it and starting to use it. It does come really nicely packaged, I must say. Inside, the polystyrene inserts and that kind of stuff are really nicely put together, but ultimately it's just a box at the end of the day. What we are concerned with is this beautiful, wonderfully done product in front of us. Okay, I'm singing its praises before I even told you a single thing about it, because, oh, Kingston, you guys are just so damn good when it comes to audio. It's not even a joke. So, what they've done is they've practically taken a studio condenser mic, combined it somehow with a cardioid type mic as well, and then made it attachable to pretty much anything you could ever want, and then you can still monitor directly from the microphone itself. So it's got everything you would expect in a studio quality product. Now, one of the coolest things about this microphone is it's in mute while it's on right now, but you just touch the top and then it comes to life. On the back, there are 4 different modes that you can cycle between, and like I said as well, the monitoring is done through a little jack on the back here, which Brian will get a nice close-up for us when we are finished here. Shock mounted, as you can see, so it's going to be resistant to knocks and bumps and that kind of stuff on your desk. And then it comes with an adapter for a 5/8 and 3/8 inch adapting plate, so you can put this directly onto a microphone stand, like attached to the side of your desk, as if it was in a normal kind of studio environment. It is also PS4 compatible, which is really, really cool to see. So if you're on a console doing streaming and you're looking for something extremely high quality, then look no further. This really is the product. It is absolutely fantastic. The cable is so long, we've got to connect it to the laptop on the side here, and there's still tons of distance. You could sit, I think it's about 2.5 meters, this cable. So you could sit quite a long distance away from your product or from wherever you're kind of casting from with this attached to a boom, and it's not going to be an issue. But if it is and you still want some more length, it's just a normal mini USB cable that it plugs into the back with as well. So it's really nice, really easy to use as well, completely plug and play. And we're doing a recording test. We're actually recording this video with this plugged in to Audacity, and I'm going to get up nice and close now on the microphone so you guys can kind of get a live audio demo of what we're dealing with here. And it's extremely crisp. I was comparing it to our Dixon UD20 that we do a lot of the voiceover work with, and I'd actually much rather have this. I didn't have to do any kind of audio correction to get it really, really nice and crisp sounding. If anything, I would actually trim the 16K levels, so the very, very high trebles a little bit on this, because of how crisp it actually is. Really nice volume control on the bottom here as well for the microphone, so you guys will be able to hear as I'm busy talking kind of into it that it's changing as well. It's got like a stereo mode as well, which is kind of mind-blowing. If Brian and I, for instance, wanted to do a podcast, there is a setting on here that we could basically sit on either side of the microphone and be able to do a podcast from just this. And all of this is only going to set you back 1,999, 2,000 Rand, or about 120 USD. I just don't see a product as competitive and as well put together as this is. The finish, the feel, everything. Massive 10 out of 10 from us here at T3. Thank you all so much for watching. We do hope that this is on your radar, and we hope as well to see you next time. Until then, bye bye.